This is a secret. I am going to show you how to spy your competitors. Shh. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Google Ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing. But also I'm going to show you a free tool that will help you to spy your competitor ads so you can make your ads better. So this is what you need to do. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find product to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Clickbank. So I need to go here on Clickbank Marketplace and I need to find a product that I wish to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I will actually click here on top offers and here you can see best products here on Clickbank currently and you wish to promote one of those products. For example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, Fast Lean Pro. So I actually need to open this in new tab to check out their sales page. And here you can see how their sales page looks. Actually, it's not that bad. And that is important because if their sales page is bad, that means you will make less sales. So sales page of the product is really important. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to make a Google Ads campaign. So you need to go here on Google Ads and you need to create a free account. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will use my demo account. I use this Google Ads account for YouTube videos. So what you need to do, you need to click here on this plus and then you need to click here on campaign because we wish to create a new Google Ads campaign. Now here you can see choose your objective. Now I would suggest to test all of these to see which one will give you best results. I personally use this one here, create a campaign without goal guidance, okay? Click here and then same thing. I would suggest to test all of these here to see which one will give the best results for you, okay? I personally use this one, search, okay? And then click here on continue. And then here I actually choose a website because I wish websites visits, okay? And then here I need to give it a name, campaign name. Now this is visible only for you. So I will actually choose this one here. I will simply copy this so I can know what exactly I'm promoting with this campaign, okay? And I'm going to paste that here and then click here on continue, okay? Click here start now. And here you need to choose conversions, okay? I will choose clicks because I wish to get clicks, I wish to get visits to my website, okay? And then you need to click here, set maximum cost per click, okay? And here you need to set up how much money and here you need to set up maximum amount of money that you are willing to pay per click for every click. Now, how much do I pay? That depends from the niche of that product. If I promote something, for example, related to men grooming, then I would usually pay up to $2 per click. But if I'm promoting something like, for example, make money online or affiliate marketing product, then I would set up maximum bid $10 per click. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will set up, let's just say $5 because this is weight loss product. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on next, okay? And then here, I wish to untick this. I only wish to use search network, okay? You can test to see will you get better results with display network. I usually choose search network, okay? And then here you need to choose a location. Here you can see all countries, United States and Canada, United States, enter another location, okay? I can choose United States and Canada, or I can simply click here, and then here I can choose another location, for example, United, and here you can see United States, United Kingdom, and so on and so on. You can also search for Australia, for example, Austria, Australia, South Australia, and so on and so on. But for the purpose of this video, I will choose United States and Canada. Okay, here you can see language. You can choose a different language. By default, it is English because I have chosen United States and Canada. Okay, here I actually don't need to do anything. I can simply click here on next. Okay, and here you need to enter your keywords. That is really important. Here you can add a URL of the website and Google will automatically extract keywords. But I wouldn't suggest you to do that. They usually extract some keywords that you actually don't want to use, that are not precise, so you will You will end up paying for keywords that are not precise. They will get you clicks, but you won't get any sales. So you need to add keywords manually. That is what I would actually suggest you. You need to go out and you need to do a research to find the best keywords. And also here you can see keyword and here you can see keyword phrases. So what I actually wish to do, I wish to add my keyword under quotes because I wish to get clicks only when people search this exact keyword here, weight loss. Okay, that is really important. You wish to add your keywords under quotes. Okay, also you wish to add your keywords under brackets. Okay, that is really important. Add your keywords under brackets. Weight loss, same thing. Okay, because like I said, you only wish to get clicks when people search this exact term, weight loss in this case, and you need to add as many keywords as you can, and those keywords should be as precise as possible because you wish to get as targeted as possible traffic. You don't want to get clicks from people who search something related to weight loss, but they don't really need to, but they are not really interested in weight loss. They are just searching something related, okay, some recipes or something like that. You don't want those people. You only wish to get people who are interested in weight loss, okay? That is really important, and that is why you need to add your keywords under quotes and also between the brackets. That is really important. And after that, what you need to do, you actually need to create your ads. Here where it says final URL, you need to add your Clickbank affiliate link in this case. So click here on promote, click here create a hook link. Give it a second. I actually need to apply for their approval, so I will pause this video until I get my approval. Okay, I got my approval and here I need to add my Clickbank affiliate link. Now this is important. What often happens, Google doesn't approve affiliate links from Clickbank products, Digistore24 products, and so on and so on. In that case, if that happens, you need to make a landing page, you need to make a bridge page, okay? If that happens, sometimes it does happen, okay? And here I need to add display path. So here I will simply say weight, and here I will say loss, okay? Weight loss. I wish to include my main keywords here in display path. And here we actually need to create our ad. We need to add headlines and we need to add descriptions. And that is where most people have problems. They don't know how to create their headlines, what headlines work, what headlines doesn't work, what description work, what description doesn't work. So what you can do is you can spy your competitors. So what you need to do, you simply need to go back here on the sales page of this product and you need to copy only root domain. Copy this. And then what you need to do, you need to go here on website called adstransparency.google.com. This website, this is actually powered by Google. And when you scroll here, Google will show you all the ads that are being run on Google Ads. Here you can see show anytime. You can search ads by the time, by the date. Here you can search ads by the location. And here you can search ad formats, images, text, or videos. And here you can search by topic. Now here you can enter a keyword or you can simply add a domain name of that product, a root domain of that product. And that is exactly what I do. I usually add a domain name, a root domain name of that product because I wish to get only ads that are run to promote this product here. So I will click here and let me just close this. And here you can see, when you click here and see all ads, here you can see ads that are being run on Google Ads to promote this product here. And you can do, what you can do is you can actually use these ads as an inspiration for your own ad. You can make a similar headline, you can make a similar description, and you can add that here on your own Google Ads campaign. And when you click here on one of these ads, you can get more information. You can see how exactly they are doing this. And here you can see some prices. Like I said, you can get more information. Like I said, you can use this as an inspiration for your own headline and for your own description. So you can simply come back here and you can add your own headline. And I can simply add that here, and here you can see it is actually too long, so you need to make it under 30 characters and you need to add at least 3 headlines, okay? So for the purpose of this video, I will simply delete this And now here you can see it is under 30 characters. And I can add two more headlines, okay? So I'll pause the video until I add these 2 more headlines. Okay, I added 3 headlines, and here you can see how my ad actually is starting to look. Here you can see these are my headlines. So what I need to do next, I actually need to add description for this product, okay, for my ad. And again, same thing, you can simply come here and you can use this as an inspiration for your own description, for the description of your own ad, okay? And when you go back here you can see your description has to be under 180 characters. So I will simply add something like this, and it is too long. So I can simply delete this to make it shorter, okay? And I can actually go here and I can go cut and I can paste that part here, and I already have 2 descriptions. And here you can see how my ad actually starting to look. This is how my ad will look when somebody actually clicks, when somebody actually search for weight loss, they will see my ad, and this is how my ad will look, and that is how your ad will look. You can also add images, you can also add videos. When you go back here on Google Ads Transparency, when you go back here on Google Ads Transparency, and when you go back here you can see ad formats, images, text, and videos. Okay, and when I scroll here you can see you can add images and videos. Here you can see you have more options. So I don't want to do that right now, so I will simply click here on next. And now here you can see how much money you will need to spend to run this campaign. Here you can see set a custom budget. Here you can see $376. Here you can see average daily budget is $395, basically $400 if I wish to actually get any good results by promoting this product here by the $5 per click, okay? And what you need to do here, you need to click here on next and just give it a few seconds, and it will give you an overview of your campaign. And after you do that, you will need to publish your ads, and they will review your ad campaign, and if it satisfies their rules, it will be approved, and you will start getting traffic. You will start sending people to this product here. And like I said, if you added a good keywords, targeted keywords, you will start getting targeted traffic, which means people that you are sending from Google will start buying this product, and you will start making money. And when we go back here you can see you can earn on average $142, basically $143 per sale. So if you spend, let's just say for example, $100 to get 20 clicks, and you make just one sale, you will still have $43 of profit. And like I said, if you targeted keywords well, and you will make sales on every 20 people that you send from Google. And if you are good at it, you will actually make sale on every 15 people that you send from Google, and you will make even more profit. So this is how you make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, by spying your competitors' ads totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.